While the NDIS is expected to provide disability supports for over 460,000 Australians living with a significant and permanent disability, it is not intended to replace other services that are available to all Australians, such as health, education, employment, transport, aged care, justice and housing. Like all Australians, people with disability will continue to have access to these services. NDIS-funded plans complement other supports that people may be eligible to receive from other government services, such as the Disability Support Pension, Carer's Allowance or Healthcare Card. NDIS plans will provide support to access and connect with other services that can also help you to achieve your goals and better outcomes in life. For example, one of your goals could be to independently catch the bus to school, work or a community event. The NDIS may fund public transport training to enable you to use the local bus service. Because the NDIS is not intended to replace other available services, you'll continue to have access to publicly funded supports and services. For example, you may access the health system to visit your doctor, dentist or local hospital. You may access the transport system to catch the bus to work, school or community events. Or you may access the education system to go to school, TAFE or university. The NDIS is a supporting system that enables people living with disability to access, use and benefit from other services that are available to all Australians. For more information, visit our website ndis.gov.au or call 1800 800 110.